how to play Pokemon Go for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So while catching up a Pokemon, spin your Pokeball and throw it on the right hand side of the screen and make it curve. So this way you would get better XP. It does matter how you catch a Pokemon. So the more XP you will collect, the better for you. And the better the CP that you have for a particular Pokemon, the better the Pokemon is. Higher CP means better Pokemons. You can check the type of this particular Pokemon by looking at the center. It is a grass type and a poison. All you have to do is just move around in your city and you will be able to find different Pokemons. Just click on any of the Pokemon and you will be able to catch some Pokemons with just one Pokeball, or for some you would require more than one, and it is absolutely fine. And even if you get some Pokemon which you already have, make sure that you collect them and get them, because you would be requiring them later on. And in order to check your progress in this game and how much you have walked, you just simply click on your profile at the bottom left hand side, and after that when you click on me, you will be able to see your distance that you have walked and the Pokemons that you have caught. All the other stuff will be shown over here. You can simply check it out over here, and in case if you want to add someone as your friend, just simply click on this option of friends. Now you can either search for them or just simply click on add friend, and you would be provided with trainer code over here. You can type someone else's trainer code over here and add them. You can also add your Facebook friends or your friends from your contact on Pokemon Go, and in case if your friend is just nearby you, you can simply scan their code by just clicking on this option of QR code. And it is quite easy to add friends on Pokemon Go. And in case if you want to change your style that you just choose while creating this account, you can also make changes even after that. So for that, just click on this option of a style, and here you can simply change anything that you want to. Just get back and you can see all the Pokemons that you have caught and all the other activity on this game by just clicking on this option of journal. And in case if you want to choose any Pokemon buddy, just click on choose buddy and select any of the Pokemon, and this way you would be able to choose your buddy. You can play the adventures over here. You can simply give treat to your Pokemon or Pokemon buddy by just doing it the same way that you just catch Pokemons, and it is quite good. Let's get back. Now in this game you just have to move around your city, and you would be able to find different kinds of Pokemon according to the area you are nearby. Suppose if you are near to a water resource, then you will be able to find water Pokemons there. Since I'm near a building, and here I'm getting this type of Pokemons. Just catch as many Pokemons as you can. You can trade them with your friends, or even if you find similar Pokemons, you will be able to use them. And this is how you play Pokemon Go as a beginner. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.